Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Nuha Fazlussalam. I am teacher of Islamic International School, PSN Magetan, Indonesia. In this opportunity, I will present my research plan about development of learning kit with open-ended STEAM approach using 4 different media to improve mathematical creative thinking ability. Introduction. The background of my research is one of the abilities and potential that need to be developed by students is creativity. This creative ability is basically owned by every human being from children to adults, but the level of creativity is different. The ability of creative greatly determines the person's success because of his ability to solve problems. School mathematics is mathematics that can be accepted and learned by students. Mathematics that can be accepted by students is mathematics that can be seen as an activity of tracing patterns and relationships as a problem-solving activity, as a tool for communication, and as creativity that requires imagination, intuition, and discovery. This STEAM approach is a learning approach that integrates several disciplines, which in its application are usually integrated with a learning approach that has a learning syntax in accordance with the objectives to be achieved or in accordance with the material to be learned, such as the inquiry approach, problem-based learning approach, project-based learning, and open-ended approach. Problems that have many correct answers or many strategies in solving this problem are able to grow students' creative abilities. And 4D Frame is an educational media tool that can be combined and linked its basic parts and formed into various polyhedrons and creative shapes. Based on the background that has been described, the objective of this research is first to generate learning kit with open-ended STEAM approach using 4 different media, and second to describe quality level of learning kits with open-ended STEAM approach using 4 different media to improve the mathematical creative thinking ability in terms of validity, practicality, and effectivity. Methods of this research. The type of this research is research and development. The method used in this research is ADDIE, adopted from brands. The first stage is analyze. To analyze students' characteristics, needs, and curriculum. The second is design. That is designing the development of learning kits. And the third is develop. To develop learning kits to create instruments to measure the performance of learning devices. And the fourth is implement. That is using learning kits in learning activity. And the last is evaluate. That is assessing learning and improvement programs. For different application in classroom, first, teacher presenting problem related with a context that geodesic dome need to be built, and the second, students will search resources about building geodesic dome, and the third, students will build two kinds of geodesic dome. Those are 2 frequency and 3 frequency. And the fourth, student will test the study of the geodesic dome. And the last, a student will present the conclusion. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for having me and nice to meet you. Thank you.